Copper kettles steam on the panes, sugar on the floor like winter rain. Row by row through the morning shift, skilled hands working quick and swift. Tin lids clatter, trays fill up, sweet little rounds in a paper cup. Hear that tick, hear that hum, another batch is coming up. Old brick walls, new sweet gold, a story told, a story sold. Uncle Joe's mint balls, sweetest call of all. Uncle Joe's mint balls.